The spicy seasoning, lime, and avocado make this spicy avocado chicken recipe from All Recipes member America. It's an impressive but easy dish to serve to guests that's low carb and very tasty. First, to a small bowl, add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of ground cayenne pepper, and stir to combine. Rub the spices evenly onto 4 skinless, boneless chicken breast halves or boneless, skinless thighs. Now add 2 tablespoons of olive oil to a skillet over medium heat. Add the seasoned chicken to the heated oil and cook them until the juices run clear and they're no longer pink in the center, about 5 to 7 minutes per side. A thermometer inserted into the center should read at least 165 degrees. In the meantime, add a small minced red onion to a small bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of lime juice to the onions. All Recipes member Jamie writes as a substitute, "I used lemon juice instead of lime juice and the recipe was delicious." Then add 1 diced avocado. Stir it together lightly and add salt and pepper to taste. Spoon this salsa over the cooked chicken to serve. All Recipes member Sassman328 writes, "This spicy avocado chicken went well with mixed greens." Member Sheila writes, "It had a lot of flavor," and added, "I felt like I was at a fine restaurant, but I was home watching baseball."